Welcome, viewers. My name is Fali Precious Temidayo, and welcome to this episode. And I'll be taking you English on today's episode. Let's solve these questions together. I have blank some water already. We have different options here with different opinions. A, drank. B, drink. C, drinks. D, drunk. Well, I know you guys will go for A, drank, which is wrong. Why? Because whenever we have the verb as, have, and had, the next verbal element that will follow will be past participle verb. And our option A is wrong because it's in past tense, while drink is in present tense. Drinks is in singular present tense, and drunk is in past participle verb. So option D is the correct answer for number 1.
Welcome to Akahi Tutors. My name is Babalala Oluwa. Here, I want us to solve this question together. This is English language. Number 2. Mary has blank that blank in the church before. Mary has blank that blank in the church before. Now let's look at our answer. A, we have sang song. Sang song cannot be our answer because sang is in the past tense. Song is correct here, but sang is in past tense. It cannot be here. I told you earlier that anytime we see as is our past, anytime we see as, have, or had, it will be the past participle that will be here. So B, we have song. We cannot choose this option because song, this one is correct here because it's our past participle, but here we cannot use this one. We cannot use song here because it's a verb and it's a noun we are looking for. Now C, we have song sang. Song is our past participle here, but sang is in the past tense. We cannot use it. But let's look at this option D. This is song. Song is our past participle, while song is the noun that we are looking for. So option D will be our correct answer.
My name is Adebayo Famigoke. I want us to do this English question together. So let's start from number 5. We have let me first say this thing before we start. Any verb that you see after have, has, and had, let us know that in our mind that the verb will be past participle verb. I won't repeat that again. So let's start from number 5. I have blank marathon several. I have run marathons. I have dash marathon several times. A, let's pick the option from the back. So D is round, C is once, and B is one, A is run. So D is not the answer because run is the past tense, it's not the past participle verb. And B is the answer because is the past participle verb. So in this number 5, let us choose D. So we don't need